I think the only Freya will be upset about the move for a little while. But Benjamin Callisto and Mary, Callisto's not going to care. But, Benjamin's not going to really either. I mean, as far as I can tell, the only thing that might change is, I'm still planning to take him to Boy Scout meeting this Wednesday, but if there's something closer to this new place, we'll go to that. But
they mentioned the other trip, I think that's for by the time to see it.
I don't know. I thought you were talking about the South Wedge. I don't know, how close, the South Wedge is relatively close to Plymouth Avenue, and, Genesee is close to Plymouth, so, I don't know. That's the thing about driving, just you can live in a place and, you really got to drive around to see how things connect.
Yeah. Well, it would make it easier. It would be easier too once we get the truck.
Yeah.
Even if it's a few minutes less right away, it shouldn't be a long car ride.
Yeah. What do you mean?
I mean, you're in person. You said that you had two texts for that.
That's just a security thing with banks. They won't I'd have to do a bank check for $3,800. And I really don't even know, what the difference between, I think maybe a bank check, it could only be drawn on Key Bank.
Yeah. No, I mean,
But,
the $3,800, that's how much it would be for the security deposit?
I assume so. The first month and security.
Well, I know how much the security was.
It's usually the same amount as the rate. Yeah.
I miss the kids, but it's been a good day.
Yeah, it's good. And, only been gone for 3 hours.
I just do scream with the first. I never ordered at this place when I lived in Cornhill. Someone told me that the Chinese food here is supposed to be very, very good. I've never been there either.
Yeah, you can't sit in it, I don't think. It's just you just order from it. But
Never had bubble tea.
I'm not really interested in that. It sounds very trendy, but all this tea stuff, it just very bland, I think. Smells good. When I moved here, at the corner here, this was a Tim Hortons. I don't know why this would go out of business. It just that would be great to have. Ten seconds. The Democratic Chronicle used to be here. Watch will go where?
Watch will get everything all set up with this. To get the place, make all the preparations, and all of a sudden we get a text saying, "Oh, the sounds like it was for you guys to stay."
I keep thinking of that kind of thing too.
It's like, really?
Look what they did to the Holiday Inn. It's Wyndham now.
Wyndham?
Yeah, that's the name of the hotel now, Wyndham.
It sounds like a Wyndham.
Yeah. Did they paint it? It looks like it's a different color.
Yeah. Medium flag? Where are you, dude?
Yeah. Christmas stuff still. See, look at this. This is a Cadillac Escalade. This would be great to have. You never went into here, did you?
Yeah.
This Lotus Chinese food restaurant. I mean, look at all this. This place has just been sitting here the entire time I've been in Rochester. How could you not want to go to this restaurant? Yeah, it's this block here. That's really desperate because you have candy in yours.